Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change the tailgate handle on our 03 Tundra and transfer the lock cylinder over. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Start by dropping the tailgate. Now this particular model has a bed liner in it, so the heads that are taking that bed liner off is a Torx bit. You might have a 10mm or it might be different than Torx. So it should be the same though, same amount of bolts to hold the steel plate on. So these Torx here is a T30. So if you have if you don't have a bed liner, you might just have regular 10mm head bolts. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 8 of these. I'm going to take them all off. So once all the bolts are taken out, just pull up the cover from there, and you'll see there's the original plate. So now that can be lifted up. Now we've exposed the tailgate handle. You've got 2 rods that go to each latch on each end, and this is a simple clip. You're just going to roll it over. You should be able to do it with your finger. Pull the rod up. Same with the inside. Roll it over and pull the rod up. Okay, see if we can get those to stay aside. So the cool thing is this whole handle will come out, and then we can undo the cylinder lock in front of us on a bench. You've got 2 mounting 10mm socket. Bolts here, so I'm just going to take those out. Place those right there. Now you're going to watch how I'm going to pull down. See, I pulled it this way and slid the mechanism out. There we go. So now we have the handle. They look identical. Got both brackets with the clips on them, the hole for the lock cylinder, and it comes with the lock that holds the lock cylinder in, and works really good. We got this part from 1A Auto. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Lock cylinder is filled with road dirt and everything, so I'm going to spray in there and let that soak for a little bit, and then we'll come back and get that out. So I'm going to take a small screwdriver and I'm going to pry this clip, the lock clip, completely out. See if I can get it up that way. If not, I'm just going to pull like one ear completely out of the way. Sometimes that works. There we go. So all I did was, once the whole lock is out of the way of the 2 ears, I pushed my finger through. There it is. So to install it, I'm going to make sure that this lines up with that. And then I've got the 2 notches here. You've got 1 and 2. One notch is bigger than the other. See it in the plastic, a wider notch cutout. Line that up and then push down. That lock should lock it in. There you go. So to reinstall, I'm going to go to the front of the tailgate, bring that piece up in like that. And on the trim piece, there's a little rubber dimple, so you want to make sure that that rubber piece gets pulled through all the way. There we go, that feels good from the other side, you'll feel it. going to start with the one mounting bolt. Let's line up this one. $10mm socket. Gonna have to really push on the handle on the other side. Perfect. Now we can put these rods in. So you're gonna pop the rod into the slotted hole for you. Then this cutout plastic goes around and it snaps on like that. Same with that one. There you go. Let's move the handle. I'm going to take advantage of this being off, and I'm going to spray in here on my latches. Both sides. If I can pull that handle. Perfect. Ready to put the door back on? So that's the way it comes without the bed liner, and they have a bed liner, so I'm going to have to slide this underneath that lip and line those holes up. Place it down. Line up all my Torx bits, T30 heads. I'm not going to tighten any of them until all these are in, because I'm trying to line up that back plate at the same time. That I've got all the Torx head screws in, I'm just going to start from the middle and work my way out. And there you have your tailgate assembly back together. Let's shut the gate and see how the handle works. Oh, much better. There was a two-stage notch there before. Nice. It's got the water trim. Ready to go down the road.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.